Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into YouTube on your PC browser, so changes apply to the right account. Once signed in, open Settings and Extensions. You want Chrome or Edge because most blocking extensions work there. Install or enable an Add/Content Filter extension now, uBlock Origin, or a short-specific blocker. Make sure to disable conflicting extensions temporarily. This prevents rules from being overridden. After installing, refresh YouTube so the extension can detect page elements and let you move to precise blocking steps. Now you configure the extension to remove shorts by targeting the right elements. Use the extension's element picker or browser inspector to identify the shorts container or the /shorts/URL pattern, then add a block rule for that selector or URL. Once added, apply the change and refresh the home page, watch page, and channel pages to confirm shorts disappear. If you see placeholders, refine the selector. Specificity matters. Make progressive adjustments until shorts content no longer loads in multiple views. Finish by clearing cache and doing a hard refresh so old scripts won't restore shorts. You should re-enable other extensions one at a time to verify no conflicts reintroduce shorts. If the UI breaks or videos disappear, revert the last rule you added or temporarily disable the blocker to isolate the issue. As a tip, maintain a backup of your custom rules. If YouTube updates its layout, you can quickly edit selectors rather than rebuilding from scratch, saving time and avoiding repeated troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.